Well, hello, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree Finds videos. So today we are going up into the Dollar Tree to see what's available and in stores right now. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, now you know that I am good at finding crazy. And look at this. It's a touch light. I don't think we've seen this before. I do love that I can see the price. That makes me happy. And it looks like there's several temperatures, right? There's the white light, the warm light, and the medium light. So cute. And it comes in this cute little box here. And I think that's just such a cute idea. Let's see if there's any other lights that we haven't seen. Wait now, what's this? Oh, this is just a plain old night light, which I think we've probably seen before. But it is over here in kind of the light and light bulb section, which is interesting. What about this? Oh, that feels heavy. Oh, cool, it's a phone stand. Interesting. It's like a 6-inch high phone stand. I like that. I don't know if I've seen one of these before, but that would actually be helpful sometimes when I'm doing my live streams. Interesting. But again, that was kind of over here. You know, you've got the fake security cameras. I don't know why you would want a fake one, but they exist. I also think this is really cool, which is the portable work light. Super, super helpful, especially this time of year because it gets dark sooner. And if you need to get out there and do something, it might be nice to have a little light. If you got to see under your hood, make sure all your fluids are good and whatnot. That is a good light for that. Let's see if we can find anything else, you guys. Now, for whatever reason, I always think that these types of... Somebody tried to open it up and get a little snifsky, y'all. But I always think that these style of candles are so cute. I'm guessing that's $1.50. I do not know. Trying to see if I see any really cool candles over here, you guys, that we may or not have seen before. Oh, these are cute. They're kind of the style of them. This one's like a really cool lavender candle, and then apple cinnamon, obviously. For the season. That's really nice. Never mind my nails, you guys. I have been painting lately. Lots and lots of painting. What is going on here? Oh, this is so cute. This little candle holder here, what is this? It's $1.25, at least that's what it's marked as. But I think this is the cutest thing. Let me see. So the little top piece comes off. Let me see how this works. So the little top comes off. Candle is inside of there. Nice long wick. That's cute. And I always look for stuff like that because once you finish with the candle, that's still something that we can use, right? I don't know how to explain this to you guys, but it's a really thick plastic. And it's really nice. And then there's this lavender here. So they had this scent and the lavender scent. So pretty cool. Let me know if you guys have seen these. Oh my goodness. So I'm pretty sure all my yarny friends are talking about this, but have you guys seen these gigantic things of yarn for $5? I don't know how much this is. It's 867 yards. It's gigantic. I think that's insane. Now, the one that I was in before had a couple of different colors. So far here, I'm just seeing this kind of green color and this off-white, but that's really, really cool, I think. So let me know, any of my yarny friends, if you guys are grabbing that. Now, look what else I see when I look up here, you guys. Check these out. Last week, we saw some cool stickers, and this week, we're seeing some more cool stickers. You guys see that? I don't know if it's picking up, but it's kind of like a 3D sticker of a butterfly. Sorry for the noise, you guys. You know how it is in the Dollar Tree, but it is what it is. But look at these. Super cute. If you guys are into butterflies or stickers, check these out. Oh, I see some more colorful ones. Look at those. Way cool. So let me know if you guys have seen those or you have, ooh, Lord, picked them up. Oh no. One-handed Nancy here. Okay. Now I think this is pretty cool because in the stickers, which you guys know I always pay attention to, look at these gigantic butterfly decals. How many do you get? So you get 12 peel and stick butterfly decals, and I think this is my first time seeing these. This one is really, really pretty. It's kind of got like a golden kind of iridescence to it. And then it's got, let's see, and then we've got this pink one here for my girl Kay from At Home with Kay. And let's see. Okay, so it just looks like those two designs. But then check this out. They also have the kind of long strip with multiple smaller butterflies on it. I also am noting this one, which I don't believe that I had seen before. Really, really cool. And of course, you guys know I picked this up when I first saw this a couple of weeks ago. I still have some DIYs planned with that. This is also interesting because I don't think I've seen this before. Really, really pretty. I like it. So you could use this as kind of a flourish. If you guys are picking up that like above a doorway or something like that. Very, very cute. Or obviously for any sort of DIY or craft. So that's really nice. Let's see what else that they have over here. Let me know in the comments if you guys see something and I am missing it. What's this? Oh, have we seen these before? I'm not really into heart-shaped stuff, so I probably must have missed it, but it's kind of cute. It's this beautiful lavender color, and it is kind of like a little open box. Kind of jewelry box or knick-knack box. I'm not sure how much that is, but that is cute. I think we've seen, whoa, hold up here. Nope, that is, I've seen all of the different wallpapers here, so that is nice. Kind of cool to see that they still have the boxes in play. What is this? This is a magnet? Oh my goodness. Okay. See, this is why I've always got to keep my eyes peeled, because I would never have guessed. I did not. So there you have it. Cute little magnet, like a little succulent magnet. I love that. And they've got that one. This little one here. I think the only other variety I'm seeing is this one. Hopefully that's coming through. But those are cute. Okay, I don't think I've ever seen those before. Let me know if you guys have. Check these out, you guys. Look at these iron-on transfers. Now, they're going to have some ones that are just kind of a little bit different and weird, but I like this one. And I think what you can do, like with so many transfers, is you could take the letters off or the wording off and use that separately, and then use the actual decal. And I think those are antlers, which is a little bit strange, but yeah, I think those are antlers with a little bit of kind of like florals in the center there. But again, you could separate that from the letters and use that, and then use the letters in some other way. They've got this girl power one. Let's see if there's any other kind of cool. It looks like that one was maybe the coolest one. The rest are a little bit more cartoonish, but I think that was way, way, way cute. Let me know if you guys would be grabbing that. Now look at, they've got some more of these kind of really cool puffy stickers. Huh. Is this supposed to be kind of like a, I don't know, is that like a little flask or something? Very cute. Very cute. But again, oh, this one's nice. Check that out, you guys. With the key and this like really cool door. I love that green on there. So some of the quality of the stickers have really come up, you guys. So let me know, again, if you guys have been picking them up and what kind of DIYs you guys have been doing with them. Wow. So I've seen a lot of wood cutouts in my time at the Dollar Tree, but I don't know that I've ever seen this one. So obviously it's shaped like a diamond, but I don't think I've seen this before. And it's kind of like one of those multi-tiered or like multi-pieced pieces, if that makes sense. But they are right here. I was going to see if they had anything else. Oh, wow. There you have it. I've never seen these before, you guys. They are marked allegedly at $1.25. Hopefully that is actually the real price. But really cute. So I just am seeing the diamond pattern or the diamond shape and then this shape. Really, really cool. And then let's see if they've got any other ones over here. Oh, interesting. So this is really cool, kind of like a little medallion. Same kind of thing. That would be really nice. You guys stained in a couple of different ways. I see a star shape here as well. Kind of pretty basic. Oh, Lord. I almost dropped that. And then this is really cool. Look at that kind of floral piece. I really, really like that. Again, let me know if you guys are picking these up, and if so, what sorts of DIYs that you're doing with them. Okay, you guys, tell me, am I losing my mind, or is this my first time seeing this kind of V-dub bug shape? I don't think I've seen this in a wood cutout before. So it's a similar wood cutout to the trucks that you guys know I've done 1,000 different DIYs with, but this is just so dang cute. It almost makes me think I should pick this up and do a similar DIY, or do a Christmas DIY. This would be really, really cute, painted kind of red, and then you get your little Christmas tree coming out of the back. That would be nice, but let me know if you guys, if we have seen these before, because I feel like that's my first time. I also feel like it's my first time seeing this MDF castle that's like this. which would be really nice if you were going to do like a Christmas castle, or even there's still time to do Halloween castles with that. Yeah, that's crazy. Let's see what else we can find. Speaking of Halloween castles, guess what I just found? I just found this wood house, and it's so different than the ones I've seen in previous years because look, I think that's like a little bat cut out in it. Have we seen this before? I swear this is my first time. Whoa, let me hit it, hold it up. Seeing this. Now I am used to, and I have several of these in my stash, just like this regular kind, but I do not feel like I had really seen this one. But again, let me know, you guys, because I don't see everything, so maybe I missed it. Okay, so this is interesting. So this is kind of a wood cutout, but it comes with its own stand. Does that make sense? So it's kind of like the wood cutout itself, and then I think this piece here is designed to help you stand it up. And I think they've got it in a couple of different shapes here. I've got the unicorn. I'm seeing the butterfly shape. Is that it? What is this? Oh, I think that's a dinosaur. They've got a cross with a stand. And then they also have the heart and the stand. Interesting. I don't think, again, like I said, that I've seen these before, but let me know if you guys have. Okay, you guys, check this out. For my diamond painting homies out there, Dollar Tree keeps coming out with different diamond painting kits. Look at this beautiful butterfly. And again, when you grab these kits, they have all of the items associated with the kit inside of the kit, so that kind of makes it nice, especially if you're a beginner. And I'm gonna see if we can find some additional ones, and don't worry, guys, I'll throw those back. But check this out. It's kind of like a waterfall. I like that. Let's see what else we've got here. Oh, this is really cool. Oh, that would be really nice, you guys. I think that would be really nice put together. So you've got that one there. And then I also see this lion here. Really cool. Let me know if you guys have snatched these up and if you've put them together and they were any fun. I love that. Guess what else I'm seeing over here, you guys, in the craft aisle? They keep coming out with these cute little crochet sets. Look at this little bumblebee. Is he just not as cute as he wants to be? And again, these, and I'm always going to mispronounce it, I think it's amigurumi sets. They come with everything you need, including the crochet needle. I'm going to put him here for a second, and we're going to see what else there is. There's this pretty little cute pink dinosaur, just as cute as he wants to be, or she wants to be, and she's got her whole pack of goods there. There is also the frog here. That's really cool. And again, whole pack of goods there. We've got the owl. I love this color, this fuchsia color of this owl. Really, really cool. Although I gotta tell you, that pink is not as pink as the pink on the front. So just be aware of that. And then I think just right up here, we've got the turtle. And that's the turtle pack. Okay, let me know if you guys have seen those or checked those out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Did you spy something that got your creative juices going? Make sure to put that in the comments. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, have a good rest of your day.